the best there is, plain and simple. I mean, I wake up in the morning, I piss excellence. Thank you. And nobody can hang with my stuff. Just a big, hairy American winning machine. If you ain't first, you're last. You know what I'm talking about?
Hello, I'm Jensen. What's going on, everyone? Hope you're having a good day. We got the Hellcat back here. If you're new to the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, thumbs up. You guys see Hellcat parking only. We're about to go take the boat down to my boy's shop in Concord. It's called City Alignment. If you haven't seen in the last video, I jumped this thing going 80 miles an hour. So we're gonna put it on the lift, make sure the alignment's all right, make sure everything's good underneath, and then maybe do a little bit of driving. So stay tuned for that. We're about to head to my boy's shop now. So let's start it up and then get going. So we out here at City Alignment. Shout out my boy Jose hooking me up, pulling it on the rack right now. Get the alignment done. All murdered out. Got the diff a little bit too, as well as the exhaust. So it looks like the suspension is leaking oil. So that's not good. Yeah, it looks like it's going to the dealer. Coming back down. Got the sheet here. Have to take it to Dodge and get some new shocks. Because the front and the rear is off. Leaving City Alignment right now. Just found out the bad news, but also good news, because bad shocks can lead to bad things if you're drifting or doing high speed stuff. So I'm glad I found the damage, but I'm not glad it's there. Let's just say that. But yeah, leaving City Alignment, got it all going straight. I'm gonna have to call the dealer tomorrow, try to get an appointment, get in there, get these shocks taken care of, get this kitty back to its healthy state. So we're back at the house now. Let's go over what was going on with the suspension. So in the front, we basically just adjusted the toe. As you can see, we couldn't really mess with the camber too much because the shocks are blown, which is not good. Same as in the rear. Just messed with the toe. Didn't really touch the camber too much. The suspension is gonna start sinking slowly but surely. So I'm gonna get into Dodge, have them replace the suspension immediately. But yeah, that's the result of jumping your car at 80 miles an hour. I would not recommend it. It's not the funnest. Sliding and drifting is a lot more fun than jumping. I can say that with experience. That's gonna be the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, share, thumbs up, repost, hit the bell, all that stuff. And make sure you go down in the description below, click the link to grab some merch. helloclothing.com, quality merch. Make sure you guys support so I can keep replacing parts on this thing and keep doing full sends for you guys. So I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you for watching.